I earned my degree online at Arizona State University. I chose to get my degree at ASU because I knew that I'd get a quality education, they were recognized for excellence, and that I would be prepared for the workforce upon graduating. To be associated with ASU, both as a student and alum, it makes me extremely proud, and having experienced the program, I know now that I'm set up for success. Learn more at asuonline.asu.edu.
Okay, so, we love to deep dive, and today it is all about interest rates.
Interest rates, everyone's favorite topic.
Yeah, at least based on what we see from everyone.
Yeah.
I mean, all those searches, interest rates today, mortgage rates today, did interest rates drop today?
That last one is a popular one.
People are obsessed.
They are.
So clearly this is something we need to dig into.
Definitely.
And, I think this is something that impacts everyone, but especially folks thinking about buying a home or refinancing.
Absolutely. That's where it really hits home.
So let's start with kind of just defining some terms, because I see people are searching for both like general interest rates and then also very specifically mortgage interest rates.
Right. Yeah. So interest rates, the general term, that's just the cost of borrowing money.
Right.
Like any kind of loan.
Right. Credit cards.
Credit cards, personal loans, auto loans, you name it. That's all interest rates.
Gotcha. So mortgage interest rates, that's just a subset.
Exactly. It's the specific cost of borrowing money to buy a house.
Okay. And those are the ones that I feel like have been especially volatile.
Oh, yeah.
The past couple of years.
Definitely.
Which makes sense why everyone's like, did interest rates go down today? Did interest rates drop today? Like, they're waiting for that moment.
Yeah, it's like everyone's hitting refresh on their browser waiting for that good news.
Totally. And I understand that.
Yeah.
Because, I mean, a small change in interest rates can make a big difference.
Huge. Yeah. It can mean thousands of dollars over the life of a loan.
Right. Especially when we're talking about mortgages, which are, huge loans typically.
Exactly.
So, yeah, I mean, I get why people are so anxious about this.
And, in a market where affordability is such a concern, every little bit counts.
Absolutely.
Oh.
So we're seeing a lot of interest specifically in 30-year mortgage rates.
The classic.
Yeah. So can you talk a little bit about like why the 30-year mortgage is so popular?
Well, I think it's the sense of security.
Okay.
You lock in that rate for 30 years. You know exactly what your payment is going to be every month.
Right. Like it's predictable.
Predictability, exactly.
Yeah.
Especially when other things in life feel so uncertain.
Makes total sense.
But, with rates being as they are, it's always worth exploring other options, too.
Right.
Like a 15-year mortgage, maybe.
Okay.
Might save you money on interest in the long run, or an adjustable rate mortgage if you're comfortable with a little more risk.
So it's not always a one-size-fits-all.
Definitely not. It's all about finding the right fit for your individual circumstances.
Okay. And then, tying this back to what we were talking about before with those searches for did interest rates drop today, we're also seeing a lot of interest in refinance mortgage rates today. So
right.
Let's talk about refinancing.
Yeah, so refinancing can be a great way to take advantage of lower rates.
Okay.
But it's not always a slam dunk. You have to consider things like closing costs.
Right.
How long you plan to stay in your home, what you think the future of interest rates might hold.
Yeah, like it's not just about, oh, the rate is lower, I'm automatically going to save money.
Exactly. It's a little more nuanced than that.
So, okay, we've talked about, interest rates in general, mortgage rates, the obsession with whether they're going up or down, refinancing.
Yeah.
But I feel like the big takeaway here is that interest rates are important, but they're not the only thing.
Absolutely.
To think about when it comes to your financial decisions, especially related to a home.
It's like anything else in life. It's not just about one number. You got to look at the whole picture.
Totally. So, I mean, you wouldn't buy a car based on just like the monthly payment.
Exactly right. You'd think about the gas mileage, the safety features, all that stuff.
And same thing with a house. I mean, interest rates are important, but so is location, your lifestyle.
Your commute.
Exactly, all that stuff. So think big picture.
Think big picture.
That's the message today.
Yes, and stay informed because things change all the time.
Stay curious.
Exactly.
All right, well, thank you for joining us for another deep dive.
It's been a pleasure.
And until next time, keep exploring, keep asking those questions.
And keep hitting refresh on those interest rates.
Maybe they'll drop today.
You never know.
All right, see you next time.
Bye. Today is your lucky day. Today is the day that our $3 website works for you, paying you directly to your PayPal daily. Imagine $3 ongoing continuous payments to your PayPal account. Imagine falling asleep and waking up to $300 in your PayPal account. How would this make you feel? How could this help you? What bills could you pay? What kind of fun could you have? What does that retirement look like now? All for a one-time payment of $3. This website is DFY done for you, fully built and completely hosted, and never stops collecting payments for you. You have spent $3 on coffee on a regular, but that coffee won't help you create multiple streams of income. Click the link below.